Omega dual fuel oven keeps tripping the power and have to reset at the switchboard.any ideas.electrician has inspected oven. No obvious faults and tested OK. Welcome, my name is XXXXXX I will be helping you with your problem today. If anything isn't clear, please just ask me. Sorry for the delay in replying, I only just came online and saw your question. Are you still looking for help with this? Please just use the reply button to contact me. This sounds like an earth leakage issue. Is this tripping the circuit breaker or the earth leakage device? Thanks, Rob. Hi again. Thanks for the response, Rob. If you mean a surge protector on the oven, we don't have those in QLD. It is setting off the dedicated circuit breaker at the switchboard outside the house. Electrician inspected both the oven and switchboard with no obvious issues. Oven is intermittent and will sometimes work immediately without issues. Other times, it will trip after 2 minutes, repeatedly. With persistence, sometimes up to 6 times, the oven will eventually stay on and work. This issue is only occurring with the oven portion, not the range as a whole. Using the gas trivets, burners, does not cause any problems. Mysterious. Hi Dan, thanks. I suspect that it's a poor element. Is this a fan-assisted oven? If so, I would suspect the circular fan element behind the back panel inside the oven. Otherwise, it's a case of checking all the wiring and seeing if the insulation is damaged, causing a short, Rob.
Yes, we suspected as much when the electrician took the oven rear plates off to inspect the fan area. All connections were checked, with no obvious damage. The oven was then reassembled and switched on, but the problem could not be replicated and would not reoccur. The oven then worked fine for approximately 6 months before next failure, then 2 months later it is happening again. The last fortnight has been most frequent. Electrician said that only way to eliminate that issue was to buy whole new replacement fan/element. Sounds like an expensive option. Is this the first time you have heard of this type of issue?
Hi Dan, most elements have sand inside them. This can get damp and cause issues with regard to the earth tripping. This is fairly common, especially if the element is not used for periods of time. The element should not be too expensive. I would contact the manufacturer and see how expensive the element is. Can I ask you to take a moment and rate my response? Please use the smiley faces which you should now see. Please remember you are rating me personally, not the website or the problems you have had with this machine. If you need to ask me anything after rating, please just follow the link in the welcome email. Thanks, Rob.
Thank you for confirming what I already suspected. I was just hoping that there would be an easier option. Much appreciated, Rob. Smile.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.